Hi, this is problem number one of our assignment. And the first thing I did was list down all the givens and all the things to be solved for. So for letter A, um, by, by obtaining the void ratio, I had to get this formula. So the formula for the dry weight, and what I did was I substituted the 19.5 kilonewtons per meter cube and equated it to the weight over volume. And since we know that weight is mass times gravity, so that's 9.81 times the SG or GS of solid, 2.6. I substituted that for the mass. And we were looking for E, which is the void ratio, so I did that, and then I got E equals 0.343. And then for letter B, moisture and saturated unit weight, I got this formula again through the PowerPoint and through research. So what I did was to calculate the moisture unit weight, I had the dry unit weight times 1 plus the moisture content, which was 8%. So I got the moist unit weight, which is equal to 21.06. And then for the Y saturated unit weight, I had to get first the water saturation. In order to do so, I solved for it, and I got 12.84, 85%. And then after getting that, I did this equation again. So, but instead of having 0.08%, 8, I did the 0.1285. So I got the 22 kilonewtons over meters cube. And then for letter C, the question was, it wanted us to obtain the mass of water added in cubic meters of soil to reach 80% saturation. So picked up a formula, and then these were given 80%, so I inputted the value there, and then I got the E here and over GS, which is specific gravity of the solid, and then I multiplied it by 100%, which I got 10.27%. And then for the moist, 80%, did that again, just like problem B, and I got 21.5. And the weight of water added minus 21.06 to get the weight of water that must be added, so which is 0.44. If you're wondering where I got this from here. And the mass of water to be added was 0.44 times 1000 over 9.81, which is 44.85 kilograms per meters cube. So letter D, volume of solid particles when the mass of water is 25 grams per saturation. I did this first. I converted this to water saturation, which gave me 12.55%, and then I multiplied that I multiplied this 25 grams. I converted it first to kilograms and then multiplied it by 9.81 over 1,000. Then I got this. So I divided this with this in order to get the weight of the solid. And then this was the next step. I had to get the specific gravity. So no, not this. I had to use the specific gravity formula in order to get the unit weight for the solid. So I multiplied the specific gravity of solid with the sa water, which was 9.81, so it gave me 26.2 kilonewtons per meter. And then I used this formula again to get the volume of the solid. And then yeah, I got the 7.284 times 10 to the negative 5 meters cubed. So that's how I did my number 1.